Hey dude, you're going to think I am insane. I just completed the first part of the interface project. Basically, I did everything except for the extra credit. Um, so it adds, it subtracts, it detects if it's bigger or not. I just sent you an email, source.zip. So let's check it out, and there's a specific way to kind of look at it. So in there, you'll have the three files: huge integer, which the professor Anatoly gave us, the implementer class, and the main class. Alright, so let's open up Eclipse. So if you don't remember how to kind of load it in there, you should see this right here when you click that button, um, this little arrow or whatever, and it should allow you to choose Java project or project. If you don't see Java project, just click project and you'll see Java project in there. So let me show you. You click project, and then you see right here it says Java project. So from there, just click next. The name really doesn't matter. It could be whatever you want. I'm just going to call it interface 3. Really doesn't matter. Click finish. Alright, so here I have interface 3. So what I'm going to simply do is I'm going to take these files here and just stick them right into that src folder, which is of course stands for source. So going to take the source code here and stick it in that source folder inside interface 3, and then you'll notice you'll see this triangle type of thing here, and you know that means expand. You could expand that more, and now you could just double click on all of these to bring them up. Alright, so the specific way to kind of look at this, really it's just in the implementer class. You'll notice I have, well, Eclipse has these negative circle type of things, and when you click on them like so, it makes code kind of disappear. Here, let me enable line numbers so you can see what I'm talking about. Editors, text editors, show line numbers, apply. Okay, so see, all it did was take lines 14 through 17 and just hide them. Alright, and basically it does that for every single method. It's only for functions. So one thing I like to do is I like to right click, click folding. Alright, so I right click there, click folding here, and you can click collapse all, which will basically just collapse all of these things together. So, well, not together, but they'll collapse all of them, and you'll see it's much more organized. And let me get rid of the console for a moment. So you'll see I have it pretty organized. I got let's see, declared variables up here. I got a couple constructors. All of them have the same exact code in it. The only thing is, does it have the same code in it? Let me double check that. Yeah, the only thing is that they're overloaded. This one takes a long, this one takes an integer, this one takes a string, but they all do the same thing. So here I have the add subtract methods, and you'll notice that these methods here, right there, are the same methods in the huge integer add. Let's see, these two, and these are the two subtract methods there. Don't know why I got them in that order, but whatever. So got that there, and all they do is call another method called calculate sum, and basically to calculate the sum. So a couple set methods there, a translate method, and here's the real meat and potatoes of the entire program, the calculate methods. Everything else, I think if you have trouble staring at it, just like stare at it more, you'll really get it. Nothing's too out of the ordinary anywhere. The only issue is these calculate methods is where all the math happens, so this is the real tough part to understand. But everything else is pretty straightforward, I think. Switch arrays, basically, you'll notice I have two arrays in here. One digit character array. Let me box it properly. And one outside character array. And basically, these are the two that are going to be plussing each other and subtracting each other. And you know, you'll judge if the outside array here is bigger than the digital character array, or if it's smaller or anything. That's basically what they're for. And so you'll find it easy to browse this if you collapse this, because if you expand it all, um, I mean, it's about 800 lines of code here. So you'll find it tiring to go scroll through all of this. Oh, and this is something I might use in the future. I just like kind of started out right now. Result character. I have no use for it, but um, that's why I have it like minimize itself. But maybe we'll use it. I don't know. So it's a lot of code. Most of it's straightforward, as I said. The calculate method's the real one to worry about. Main method, it's kind of dirty, but it gets the job done. So let me just run it, do a little test run here. So insert a first value, let's say 164 plus, oh well, I don't want to do too much math here, 146, so that should like come out to 300, I think. At 310. That was close. I'm pretty sure that's right. Let me check it with the calculator. 164 plus 146. Yeah. So it is a success. 310. 310. And this is a useless part of the main method. You know, it'll ask you for another number. You might even want to like star all of this out. The way you like star something else, like you grab all of it, you press, once you highlight all of it, you press Control Shift and the slash button, and you'll see it'll turn all green like that. And then you can remove these slashes, and these basically just run a bunch of methods here. Oh, let me have to type in huge integer a equal new implementer class. I know I need to choose an initial value 12. Let me see. Test run. See, now this will work, and you'll see take a minute, but you'll see how basically works. So let me start that up again. So anyway, hope it's cool. Hope you have fun, and let's get started, I guess, on the multiplication methods and the power methods and the divide methods. So see you later, dude.